In this tutorial, we are going to uncover the real external and competitive factors that hurt your video's visibility, even when your content is good. Yes, many creators think that low views mean you do have bad videos. But in reality, several things happen outside your channel that affect your video's performance in the YouTube platform. Really? So let's break them down clearly. The first and the most common issue is viewers' attention shift to the new video format in the YouTube platform. YouTube is constantly introducing new content types. When a new format becomes popular, the audience attention automatically moves there to the new video format. So this doesn't mean that your videos are bad, but it means the platform is adjusting to what the people are currently preferring. The solution is to adapt your strategies. That is, you have to turn your main tutorials into the new video format that promotes your full videos. The second big problem is the presence of high competition. The problem occurs when you are uploading on a saturated topic with weak SEO. You might be making high quality tutorials, but if the topic is already filled with thousands of similar videos, your video visibility becomes nearly invisible. For example, if you upload a video titled "How to Get More YouTube Views," then you are competing with already established creators who have massive authority. So even if your video is good, YouTube may not recommend it more. So to overcome this problem, always research before uploading your videos. Use tools like that of vidIQ or TubeBuddy or something like that to find less competitive keywords. Use long tail keywords, rich description, and strong thumbnails in your video. The third issue is wrong audience targeting. Many creators make videos that don't match their subscribers or their usual viewers. In this case, if your audiences subscribe you for the YouTube tutorial, but you suddenly upload an entertainment video, they won't click on your video. This hurts your click-through rate, your watch time, and the overall audience trust in your channel. YouTube reads that low engagement in your channel as a signal that your new content is not relevant. Next comes trending but late videos. That is, posting after the trend is already called. Timing is everything on YouTube. When a trend is hot, the first few videos got highest push. But if you upload days or weeks later, your video joins hundreds of others that already covered it, and the audience interest has already peaked. So the best creator don't follow trends. They prepare early. To solve this problem, watch what is rising on Google Trends or the YouTube's search bar suggestion. So when you spot a growing topic, then make a video before everything else jumps in. Speed plus originality equals visibility to your channel. Another strong factor is geographical and language competition. YouTube's system compares performance across countries and languages. So if your video is in Arabic language, for example, but similar English content performs better globally, the algorithm might prioritize those English contents instead. So this doesn't mean you can't compete. It means you must optimize your videos smartly. To do so, write your titles, descriptions, and tags both in English and Arabic language. Use localized hashtags also. Mention your country and audience clearly in your video's metadata. This helps the YouTube understand your region and push your videos to the right viewers who will actually engage to your video. Now let's talk about no promotion outside the YouTube platform. Many creators depend only on the YouTube's recommendation system, but one of the strongest signals for the YouTube ranking is external traffic. Yes, when your video is shared on Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, blogs, forums, or any other social media platforms, YouTube notices that viewers are coming from different sources, and that makes your video more trustworthy. So promotion outside the YouTube platform is like a fuel that helps your internal growth engine to run very fast. The next issue is seasonal content. Some videos only perform during specific times, like that of exam tips, New Year tutorials, or holiday-related topics. Once the season ends, interest disappears, and so does your traffic also. You may think your channel is dying, but it is just a seasonal fluctuation. So to fix this problem, balance your content between seasonal and evergreen. Upload holiday or special event videos before the season begins. These are all external and competitive factors, not signs of failure for your channel, but signs that you need to have a smart strategy. So if your views are stuck or if they are declining, don't just look inside your channel, also look outside.